Hello, I'm Brian Newton, Traub TNC, and we're back on the Traub TNC65, and today we're going to take a look at $1 first fix wiring.
When did you get back from Beijing? I gotta know. Ooh, Molly, are you stuck in nostalgia like me? I wanna know. Darling, am I dying? Feel like I've been holding on too long. Ooh, Molly, are you stuck in nostalgia like me? Miss your cherry kisses on my chin. Ooh, Molly, are you stuck in nostalgia like me? No matter what, Molly, I'm always with you in my head. Come back again. Ooh, Molly, if you're stuck in nostalgia like me.
Okay, that's first fix of $1 wiring complete, and also the main hydraulic manifold underneath there. We've run round to the bike. All we have to do now is put these cables into the cabinet and do the second fix.